Good afternoon, everyone. All right, kind of a different video today. Lots of things to talk about. End of the week updates, and did something a little different, little bit backwards here, which I apologize up front for everybody here, but I put up another limited run yesterday, late yesterday afternoon. Typically, I make a video first of what I'm doing, and then I put it up on my site. Of course, everybody that's on my wait list had gotten an email stating that I was doing that. This was a fast, limited run. I wasn't planning on doing it, but I still had a few of those left over to do back orders. So I just figured I'd make a bunch of them extra to make available for anybody who wanted a medium-sized knife. It's the mid-size Frontier. Okay, I'm gonna do that right there. I'm hoping I'm working on it. Now today is hang on. I had written this down, but I can't remember. Yeah, March 16th. So yesterday, it went up late yesterday afternoon. Now, I only made 6 available, and 3 are gone already. So that only leaves 3 slots left as of today, as of whenever you see this video. Unless, of course, those sold by then too. But anyway, 3 openings left. Those are really nice knives. I don't have one in my hand right now, but I showed the picture, and those are nice knives. Very, very popular. So if anybody wants one there, like I said, 3 openings left. But sorry again for not making a video first of this, to give everybody a heads up. Just kind of one of those weeks where everything was backwards and unexpected stuff, just like everybody usually has. Anyway, alrighty. So, what I still have left on my site as well is that fighter. Now that was been up for about a week now. I'm kind of surprised nobody picked that one up yet. But hey, not everybody wants one like that. Here it is again. All right, this is the mid-sized Dark Horseman. All right, it is considered to be a fighting knife. All right, that was the whole intent of these. It can be used, of course, for camp stuff and everything. That belly on the bottom there, that's meant for cutting really deep. He's and there's jimping on the back. It's kind of like a bolo type thing, so it pulls the blade into the cut. These are that particular style is awesome for really deep cutting. And again, it's a fighting knife, self-defense type knife, but it can be used for anything else. So anyhow, this one is still available up there. Like I said, I don't know why. Just you never know. Sometimes mid-sized knives go flying out the door. Big knives always go flying out the door. But hey, whatever. That one's oops. Oh, jeez. Almost knocked my coffee over. Hang on, I better check it. Okay, we're safe. Didn't knock anything into it. I got more though. Anyway, alrighty. So, all right, got those passed here. I got a list because I can't, I can't remember everything here now. So, we are terrifyingly close to the Hudson Bay's limited runs, and I actually have a time frame here. Okay, it's tentatively, but that's the plan for me anyway. The end of this month, okay, the end of March 2024, I will make available a certain amount of Hudson Bay camp knives available to custom order. Okay, I know everybody's been waiting on that. I'm going to be planning on Big Knife April here. It seems to be the way it's going. I've got a whole ton of other big knives on order right now. Ray, I know you're watching at some point here. That one, ready, almost, we're getting there. And I'm going to show a picture of that one right here. Okay, that's a really cool one. That's the St. Lawrence Special Edition Expedition Knife. I said it right. Yeah, it takes a little practice, You don't want to say that when you had a couple of snorts either, because it's just probably not going to work. Anyhow, that one is, and I may have, well, I do. I have one similar to that. That other one I showed before. Okay, that's about as close as I've got to it. Heat treated, and that's so. This one here is planning on being available next month as well. Okay, like I said, big knife April. Not going to get them all done in April, so. But anyway, I'm going to be having that listing Easter weekend, if yeah, if everything goes right. Now, have another. Hold on a second. Yes, I have another small knife in the works here. Tom, this one's for you. Okay, I'm going to show that one right here again. This is a very small bird and trout knife. Okay, actually it's not that small. It's smaller than my small hunter pattern, and that's fine. Guys are always asking about a really tiny thin knife for trout fishing, things like that. And Tom, you have another one of these already, and he's actually ordered another one. So this one, I'm actually making a couple extra of those. I have a couple other people that wanted them, so I've got 2 more on order, and Tom, yours, and I may have a couple extra ones also if everything goes right. Those won't be available right away, but maybe that'll be a good limited run one at some point here. But anyway, I'll have that going, and I'll have lots of pictures of those as well. Okay, what else? I guess that's about it. Yeah. Wow, that went fast. Anyway, haven't screwed up yet either. Okay. Like and subscribe, please, everybody, if you'd like to. Really appreciate it. The site's going, or the channel here is going crazy. We're getting all kinds of, like I said, lots of views every day. And shooting for more as we go. Lots of people liking the page. That's all good. So I think that's about it. Thanks again. And I'll have some more updates here shortly and more pictures. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks again.